Cooking with Humor 24.
We're back with another cooking video. How to make eggs with corned beef hash, but not fried. I'm gonna make it scrambled with corned beef hash. Alright. Same for the onion, not to make it cry. I chopped off the 2 little quarters first. You seen that? You seen that? Then I cut straight across the middle. Yeah. And then I doobie. I love onions. I love onions. Starting to like it more and more, like I said. Doing it for y'all like that, so you like a real cook. Like a real cook. Like a real cook. Put it away, guys. Put it away. Like the green raggy is put away.
Where green rag at? You keep it locked away.
Stay there. You cannot see her. You cannot see her. Every time I bring her out, it's always a little problem with you. But not today, okay?
Why?
We're not gonna use her.
I promise to let you clean with her.
We're
brother.
not going to use her. Side.
Mom, stop playing with her. Stop.
Stop. What's wrong with you? Red pepper. Clean the inside, no seeds. Inside, good job, good job, good job, good job. So, as you can see, I have the red peppers with the garlic. Now we can see it better too, guys. Yeah. Put a little bit of salt. I put 4 eggs. Put about half a spoon of salt. Put about half a spoon of garlic. I go by eye because I know what I'm doing. But for you, half a spoon of garlic. And I can't live without my paprika. Yeah. Mix up in there. So I'm gonna make the corned beef hash first because it takes longer. You understand? Okay. Good spoon and a half of oil. Very light. That's it. Very light. You don't need too much. Why? Because the corned beef hash has its own oils to cook. So you don't need too much oil. 1/4 cup of butter. Once this is hot. Medium high heat, guys. Medium high heat. Okay? Look. Medium high heat. You see? My corned beef hash is ready. Corned beef hash is getting ready. See it? Corned beef hash. I ain't got no ads or no advertisers, so don't think. I'm just showing you the corned beef hash that I be eating. They should give me a couple of these free anyways, just for showing them. Now that it's hot, I'm gonna drop the 1/4 of butter.
How long has corned beef hash been around?
Corned beef hash and eggs, that's been getting done since about 19th century. Yeah, this was the poor man's special.
So sad.
Everybody had a can of corned beef hash and eggs in the household. It's like they ain't 9 ounces. We gonna make some corned beef hash, but guess what? Delicious. I eat mine with jelly. Yep, grape jelly. I love adding jelly to this one. Put it all together. Flatten it out good. I'm gonna let it sit there. Put a lid on it too now. I don't throw the eggs yet. The eggs get thrown very once I flip it. That's when I start dropping the eggs because the eggs cook very fast. And not even right when I flip it, I still wait like 2 minutes, then I drop the eggs. You don't want to mess with it. You want to leave it alone so it could get that crisp in the bottom. Okay? Okay. Let's check on it. It's been about 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the lid off. Now I'm gonna turn them. Boom. 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 I'm gonna leave the lid off now. We'll see, we're gonna give it that crisp. About 2 minutes, I'm gonna drop the eggs in there. Well, it's been 2.5 minutes. Now I'm gonna drop the eggs. The same way you see how I did it, trust me guys, I want y'all to try it like that. I promise you, this is delicious. Now we're gonna start stirring it all up. See the crisp? Look at the crisp on the hash spread, on the hash. See the crispy in it? Look how red it is. Nice, crispy. See, the eggs get made very fast. That's why I say, always till the end. Trust me, it's one of the best breakfasts you'll ever taste. Believe it or not. Now, you could eat it by itself, but I also eat it with bread. And this is how it should look. Taste test. I'm gonna eat mine with bread. Yeah. This is how your breakfast should look, guys. And this is how your breakfast should look, my friends. Yeah. This is the happy time for me. This is just the happy time. And this is the final product. Yeah. That's what I love. I love this jelly. I love jelly with my corned beef hash. I love jelly with my corned beef hash. Let me get a clean spoon. But that's optional. That's optional. That's only if you like it. I love it. It gives it that that oomph. You know that oomph? Like the spice flavor on the oomph. But this ain't no spice. How it just gives it oomph. Well, it gives it oomph in my stomach like Yeah. Because it's like, oh my God, I can't. Trust me, shut up. You haven't tasted it. Shut up. Shut up. You haven't tasted it. Shut up. It gives it that real that you like, oh man. This flavor right here. Guys, I'm scared for the taste test because it's already happened to a couple of people and I don't know, it's so delicious that they can't. These two, they don't know what they're in for. Okay, taste test.
This better taste good.